How to create matter on Lawcus or how to file a case on Lawcus. Once on your Lawcus dashboard, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to see the option Matters. You're going to tap right there. After doing that, you're going to go over to the top right-hand corner and select New Matter. Then you're going to enter in the client's name. If you haven't added the client as yet, you can tap on Add New Client. And you can fill in their first and last name. So let me do that real quick. You can fill in their details right here. So let me do that. After doing that, you can add in their email address, phone number, and their contact information. Then you're just going to tap on Save. Once you have done that, you'll scroll down and you can give the case a name. So I'm going to call it Test. Then you can choose the open date. And you can choose the close date right here. So let's say, for example, the close date will be the 20th. And you can choose the statute of limitations. So you can select that right there. After doing that, you can scroll down and you could also select a pipeline. So we'll leave it at default. And you can select the stage that the case is in, whether discovery, trial, waiting, whichever one of these options. And then from there, you can also select your location if you have added a location. And you can also select the type of case, so the practice area. So you can see the different options, animal law, antitrust law. There are numerous options that you can select from. You can choose the one that you would like to use right there. After doing that, you're going to scroll down and you can choose who is responsible for timekeeper. So if you had added your users, you can select the one that you'd like to assign it to. Then you can add a quick description right here and also any related contact and the estimated matter value. You can put that in right here. And you can also choose billing type, whether it be hourly, flat rate, or contingency fee. Then scrolling down, you can put in the billing rate right there. After doing that, is it an evergreen retainer? You can tick that if you want, and then you can also choose the currency. And by scrolling down, you can also add in any custom field that you'd like to add. And you can also color code it from the right hand column. So you could choose a color that you'd like. And then you could also add different team members. You can also add different tags to make it more organized. Once you're finished, you're just going to tap on Create. You can also choose to save it and send it as an invoice if you want right away by selecting Save an Invoice. And that's basically it. So if we have tapped on Create, you can see right there that we have created our first matter. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.